There are always new ways of doing things, and today I'm going to show you a next generation way to look after your nails with the On Nail File Kit. It's a next generation technology that smooths the nail and also makes it stronger. You can have a natural shiny manicure if you choose to, or if you choose to have stronger nails, specifically if you need your nails to be strong. With this bundle, you get a vegan leather case. You get 2 bonus magic nail files, basically. You'll understand why I think it's such an amazing technology shortly. I'll show you how to use the product. In the pack itself, you get a nail file, tweezers, and also a nail clipper. With the nail file itself, you can see that it has a special technology. That is the shine on the product here. Now, this is a tempered glass, so it's very strong and it has the ability to file your nails. So with a traditional nail file, personally, I really dislike using a traditional nail file. It has a kind of sandpaper feel and it also roughens the edge of the nail. Now, with this technology, it actually smooths the edge of the nail. Now, I did a bit of an experiment. I have been in the garden for the last few days working, and this is my hand where I use the nail file. So you can see that my nails are strong and they are all in one piece. And on this hand here, I didn't use the nail file. So I did get chipped nails and also they broke off as well. So I had to cut the nails. I have used the file on this finger here, so you can see the difference that it makes. This is without any nail polish and it shines and buffs the nail. This is a nail that I have used the buffer on. This is my nail next to it that I haven't used. With the actual product itself, it smooths the edge of the nail and it glides easily. You can probably hear it doesn't make any of that kind of sandpapery sound that a traditional nail file does. So I'm just using it on the edges there. And what that does, it actually smooths the edge of the nail to make it stronger. So it binds the edges of the nail together. And so you end up with a stronger nail. You could just use the edge of the nail file so that your nails are stronger, especially for those who want natural nail care, or perhaps you are unable to use a nail polish for allergies or other reasons. You can have a shiny, natural manicure without the need for any polish, etc. that builds a strong nail. For example, you can soak your hands in some warm water. Once you have soaked your hands, you can use the side that has the technology on, and you can use this product as a cuticle pusher as well. If you push the cuticles, so the warm water will soften the cuticle, and then you can push the cuticle with the edge of the nail file. So it's an all-in-one file and cuticle pusher, but it also polishes, shines, buffs as well. All in one. Let's have a look at these 2 nails. Okay, so you can see one has shine and one is dull. Now I'm going to polish this nail so you can see how it makes it shiny. So go over the surface of the nail. It takes away any ridges on the nail surface as well. It basically polishes, buffers, shines, it glides. It's really easy to use as well. So it's quite a relaxing thing to do compared to, I personally don't like filing my nails with a older technology nail file because I'd rather just cut my nails off than file them usually. This product bundle, in my opinion, is a game changer. Okay, so you can see there that I have shined and buffed the thumb. We can see that other nails have not been buffed, and I buffed and shaped this nail with the On Nail Care as well. So it's a really beautiful product. With the bundle, you get your vegan leather case, and you get 2 bonus nail files all in one shiner buffer as well. You can keep the bonus nail files perhaps in your car, the bathroom, at the office, in your handbag, so that if you have a chipped nail, it's really easy to make it stronger and buff the edges of it, take away any snags and make it nice and smooth, and also make it shiny if you'd like to have the manicure aspect of it as well. And with the vegan leather case, it's an all-in-one kit. You have your tempered glass, new technology nail file, a nail clipper and some tweezers. With your bonus nail files, one has a pointed edge. They come in a case. The other has a rounded edge. You can see the technology on here as I move it in the light. Awesome. So for those who want to have a natural manicure, shiny natural nails, the pack will last you. It's not a disposable product. So you have your bonus on Lover nail files, all in one shiner, buffer, glosser. Really handy pack for your nail care. Once you use this product, I'm confident that you will love it, and it will be really difficult to go back to an older style nail care. You can purchase yours in the link. Thanks for listening. Enjoy.